All right, so Anthony and Curtis here. We're about to make a call to a property that we have literally been stalking for a year. And this gentleman has been slippery at best. That's the best term I can find for him. But let's see how it goes.
Hello, Anthony.
Hey, Bob, how's it going, my friend?
How's it going with you?
Oh, I can't complain one bit. I got a call from the township office. Um,
Yeah,
And I appreciate you giving them my contact information. They have the what do you call the code enforcement officer um,
yeah,
has been keenly aware of the property and the state of its condition. I think
okay,
they are actually on the verge of condemning the property. But I told them to kind of hold off because you and I were in talks for me to purchase it, and then that would become my problem and not yours. But they are, looking to, um, do some things at the township level to get the property rectified. I guess a lot of neighbors have been
okay,
complaining.
okay. Are we still on for $55,000?
Well, I need to see the inside of the property first and the condition. They told me some things at the township level. Obviously about the sewer and the water being turned off. So I'd have to get in
Yeah.
there and look at that on the inside to see how much it would cost for the renovation side of it um, before I could
Can
guarantee
you do
that.
me a favor?
Yes, sir.
I can get away with selling it for $50,000, or even 48.
Okay. All right. I think 48 is something we could definitely go with. I can draw up a contract and, meet you out there to look at it. And, if that's something we agree to, then we can move forward.
Okay. Well, let's make it. Do I have to pay Do I have to pay any costs?
No. So you were telling me before, I think you had, $43,000 left on your mortgage
Yeah,
balance?
$43,000.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so basically at 48,000, that would cover all of the mortgage. That would completely be completed and terminated out of your name, and then you should end up with about,
Five
probably about.
thousand dollars.
Yeah, well, there's a transfer tax that comes out of that. That's only 1% of the
How much
sale
is that?
price. It'll be 1% of the
What?
sale price.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's about $400,
Yeah,
$500.
exactly. So
Okay.
you're not talking about a lot. So you're still
Okay.
looking at walking away with about 4,500 or so.
I'm looking away enough to get me started with my bar and my wife's help to pay off her property taxes, and then my bills are gone. So you
Like,
were talking about condemning the property?
yeah, they're talking about it. I asked them if they could just hold off for a little bit until you and I could have this conversation. And
Can they hold off?
yeah, they want me to have they want us to have a contract in place. That's how they know it's real. I told them that you and I have been talking for a little bit of a year. And they're like, well, it's going to take more than talking at this point. They want an actual contract that they can see that we're moving forward, and that will kind of halt them from issuing any citations or condemning the property and all that
Okay.
thing.
I'll check it out. Let's settle for 49,000 and it's yours.
All right, and again, I would like to. I can't agree to sight unseen without seeing the inside because obviously you got some roof damage. I know it's been leaking more than likely
Yeah.
inside, but I'm tracking along that line with you. But again, like it just wouldn't be prudent for me to agree to that without seeing anything on the
We
inside.
wouldn't go much lower than that though, would we?
No, we didn't go much lower than that. No, I'm not. I'm definitely not going to stick it to you. I always create win-win solutions for everybody, Bob. So, I definitely wouldn't be trying to steal your property from you or nothing like that.
Okay, right now the house is a mess. Would you want to see the house even though it's a mess?
Absolutely. Yeah, I mean, we deal with houses. I know you think your house is a mess. I've seen some that are, in really, 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 really bad condition, like third world condition. So, hey, I don't think your house is nearly as bad as you think it is.
This has cat poop on some of the floors that's got to get cleaned up and things like that. Okay?
Yeah, I've seen worse. So
You have?
yeah, I've seen lots.
Okay.
I've seen mounds and mounds of not only animal, dog and cat feces, but I've had homes where the doors were left open and other animals came in there and doing their business.
And you've bought their properties?
I've gotten close to it, but I got outbidded on one of them. That was in really bad. I was actually kind of second guessing, anyways, but I have bought some pretty bad properties.
Okay, what are you doing today?
I have a lunch meeting today from about 11:30. It should be over by like 2. But if you could, is it possible that you and I could meet at like 4 o'clock this evening?
4 o'clock, 4 o'clock at my house.
Yes.
Okay, we'll see you then, Anthony.
All right, perfect, Bob. Thanks. I'll see you then, buddy. Looking forward to meeting you in person.
Okay,
Alrighty.
me too. 4 o'clock today, okay, bye-bye.
Bye bye. Dude, do you understand how long I have been trying to get in front of this guy?
1 year in
I
the
have
making.
not met this guy in person yet. Woo! Man! Finally!
Yes.
Man, things are coming together. Give me some, baby. Man! That is exciting. You might be the lucky charm. Dude, I've been trying to get inside of this property and meet this man in person since May 30th of 2019. Today is June 19th
There we go.
of 2020. Wow. All right, cool. Well, that today's a good day.